Hey YouTube, how's everyone doing? Yakfish Taco here. Another beautiful day, another car video. So what I have here is a 2017 Subaru Forester. What I'm gonna do is that I have an oil filter, a purolator oil filter. So I want to try to remove the oil filter which sits on top. It's very easy to change. I want to remove it and change out a new oil filter. Oh, not this one, without draining the oil. Now, so why would I do that? No, normally you don't want to do that. You want to change your oil at the same time you change your oil filter. But I just want to see if I can, because the oil filter sits on top. So in theory, without draining the oil, you can still change out the oil filter. But the other thing is that actually I have the need to do that. So yesterday, when I was changing the oil for the Forester, I realized that I have the wrong oil filter, the new one, which is for my Honda Pilot. So this one is a PL14610, but for the Forester is 14615. So I have both filters stocked up in my house, but yesterday I only have the one for the Pilot. So I didn't have time to go out to buy a new one, and my daughter needs to use the car right after I changed it. So I thought maybe I'm just gonna try it today, that just gonna swap it out with the new engine oil in it. So let's give it a try. All right, just to show you, the oil is brand new from yesterday, and you can see how clean it is. Yep, this is brand new oil. So I think it's not too late to change out the filter today. So now the engine's not hot. I let it cool down so that it should be okay. So here's the oil filter for the Forester, which is very convenient. Sits on top, and you can use your hand to twist it off. But I'm gonna put some paper towel around the edges so that it will, if anything happens, it will help to sort of stop the spilling. All right, let me rim up the side just to be sure. All right, so now I'm gonna just use my hand to twist it off. Hopefully I didn't get it on too tight, because when I put it back on, I just hand tied it. I didn't use any tool, and you're not supposed to. So I'm gonna go in slow and see. Hopefully nothing's gonna spill out. Let's see, is there anything spilling out yet? So letting air in there. Slow. Oh, nice. So let me check out. Okay, so looks like there's no spilling out. So maybe zoom in a little bit. Yeah, I don't think there's anything coming out, so that's good. Oh, look, there's some oil. Oops, it's okay. I'll let it zip back. Zip. Oops. Slow and easy. Ooh. That's limbs. go back inside, give them time. But even if they do come out, there's a little drain hole on that side that you're not seeing from this angle that oil can drain down, or I can just wipe it off with my paper towels. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my time. Looks like it's doing it. See, I have it all the way up now. So oh, good. It's awesome. Nice. Oh, look at that. So people wonder if the 14615 is it very similar to the 14610. They're similar in size, but like one's definitely a lot bigger than the other one. But I looked at the inside, is also a little bit different. So I'm not sure that kind of difference, how does it make the, you know, if I put this on it, because this is for Honda Pilot. I thought about it, but then I was like, oh, maybe not, you know. I don't want to use the wrong parts or will cause any problem down the road. But if you know what happened if you put in a different oil filter on a car, what kind of problem would it have? But I don't have to worry about that because I have the right one now to put it back on. So I'm a little bit rimmed up this one with some new oil, and then I'll put it back on. New paper towel to clean up this. Clean up the side, make it all clean. Oh yeah, so nice to have an oil filter on top. It's all clean. Got this one rimmed up with some nice coating of oil. Okay, now it's going to go back on, hand tied. Oh, good enough. Voila! Nice and clean. So that's the old oil filter. That's the wrong one. That should go onto the Pilot. And everything else looks good. Everything's back on. My dipstick, oil cap, everything looks good except a little dirty. All right, folks, that was easy. So if you ever had a situation where you need to change out the oil filter without draining the oil on a Subaru Forester of this generations, or I think later generation also has the oil filter on top design. So if you ever had that needs, you know that you can totally do that without removing, draining the entire oil pan. So good deal. Well, today's a Sunday. Happy Sunday. See you guys next time. Bye.